Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is my Catcrazy Creations crochet video. I hope this video is finding everybody doing well today, and that you have had a lot of crocheting, knitting, crafting, stitchy time since my last video. Today I have finishes to show you, and I have some new works in progress that I would like to show. I'm in a different location. I have had a lot of people asking to see my birds. So I'm in front of my birds, but because I am right here in front of the birds, they're quiet. So I don't know if they're gonna talk while I'm this close right now or not. Plus there's the camera, they can see the camera. So we'll see how it goes. But anyway, they are back here on this side, on the other side of the yellow swing. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, first things that I want to show you are the gift sets that I made. The headband, the coffee cozy, mug cozy, and the little mug rug that I was going to make. I have finished all of those, so I want to share with you. So the first one that I made, I have the cups to demonstrate, was this one. Very pretty. Okay, and with that set, it will be, here's the mug cozy, and I have backed it with felt, and then the headband. Really wide headband. So that's one set that is done. The next set would be the purple. Have a purple button on this one. And here's the mug cozy. And I have backed it with purple felt. And here is the headband. Very wide headband. I would say it's probably about 4 inches wide. So there's that one. The next one is this one, which is Choco Cherry, and I put a little flower button on it. And here's the cozy for that, or the mug rug for that one. I backed it with pink. And here's the headband. That will go with it. And the last one is the blue. Very pretty, love the blue. Have a little brownish green tan looking button on it. And this one, there's the mug rug. And I have blue backing. And then here's the headband. I would say actually the headbands are probably 4 to 5 inches, depending. These are different thicknesses of yarn. So this one looks really wide, so this might be 5-inch wide. So Anyway, that is those sets, and I'm really, really happy with how they turned out. Okay, the next things that I've been working on is, I don't know if any of you know or remember Vickie Howell. She did a lot of knitting and crochet shows back in the day. One of her shows was Nitty Gritty. Well, she has come on to YouTube. So it is, if you want to check her out, check out the Knit Show with Vickie Howell. I don't know if you can see that. The Knit Show with Vickie Howell. And this is YouTube. And she has some really good knitting. She's putting her show on YouTube. So she's had 12 shows so far. So if you go to the Knit Show with Vickie Howell, you can watch her programs on YouTube. And she has knitting ones that just deal with knitting, different things. And she also has crochet shows. So, and she will come on with little quickie patterns as well that has nothing to do with the shows. And that's where I found this one. And it's titled, so in case you're interested, it's How to Crochet a Pumpkin Plushie, or Amigurumi. So, here's the title. So I've been working on these, and they are fast, they're quick, simple to understand. So here is the first one. I made I love these. They're fall pumpkins. So cute. There's the top. What the bottom looks like. Now this is using thicker yarn. So, and using an eye hook for this. Now I went down 2 sizes to a G hook to make a smaller one. I'm still working on that one, but here's this one. There's the back. There's the top. And I'm going to be making one more in this darker orange, like a burnt orange color. I might keep it the same size as this one, or I might try a different size hook. I'm not sure. So I will show you all the finish of the pumpkins on my next video as well. So I think that is all. Nice, short, and quick. But I am working on these type of projects. I did want to mention that at the end of Vickie Howell's How to Crochet a Pumpkin Plushie, she did mention that she is going to have a Christmas quick type video with something Christmassy. So I just wanted to let everybody know that. So if you are interested in Vickie Howell, you know who she is, and you go ahead and subscribe to her. And you can, like I said, it's knitting, so if you knit, she'll have projects. You can watch the 12 shows that she has already done. And if you're a crocheter, the same thing. You'll get crochet patterns as well. So anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead, since they didn't make any noise with me being here, I'm going to pick up the camera and let you see the birds real quick for those that are interested. There they are. There is, hope I can get in. There is Louie, the yellow and green. And there is, behind the rings, that's George, the blue and white. Love these birds. So much fun. I cover them at night, so that's why the cover is around the cage in the back. And right now the sun is coming through the window, so I have the cover on them so that they won't get direct light into, the hot from the sun. So anyway, that is the birds. They're doing well. Thanks so much for asking about them. So that's all I have for this time. I want to thank everybody so much for watching, for subscribing, for commenting, for liking and sharing my videos. And my cat just came for a visit. So anyway, until next time, I want everybody to have a great day, a great week, and enjoy all the stitching you can. Thank you.